Hi guys, in this video we're going to try to do a trigonometric problem. Alright, this one, this 4a. We are given this equation and we want to show something. I want to show that the square of tangent theta is equal to 1. Now we want to use this quite important equation, right? We want to utilize this condition thing, right? Yeah, okay. Now let's see. So the basic thing we use in the proving some of the trigonometric functions or maybe equations is this sine of theta squared plus cosine of theta squared is equal to 1. And don't forget that actually this notation here, sine of theta, is actually the same as the sine of theta squared. They are exactly the same, just kind of a little different notations, right? Different writing styles, but they are the same. So we are going to use this to demonstrate, and now we are going to use this and combine with this equation given to prove this. Now let's see. So we are given this equation and we want to simplify this equation. We want to simplify or make changes to make it more like this, right? Yeah, this is what we do in proving some problems. Now, this is already given. So I think what we can do is we can move this tangent theta to the right hand side of the equal sign, right? Yeah, we want to do this. Sine of theta times tangent of theta, and we want to apply this square on both ends, on the left hand side and the right hand side. Yes. So we're here. Now we want to use this sine of theta plus cosine of theta squared. Okay, sine of theta squared plus cosine of theta squared is equal to 1. We want to use this. So your left hand side, 1 minus sine of theta squared will be cosine of theta squared. Yes? So it's going to be like this. Seems like not enough space, not enough space here. Okay, so what we want to do is that we know that this tangent of theta is sine of theta divided by cosine of theta itself, right? So we can keep simplifying this. Sine of theta squared times sine of theta squared divided by cosine of theta squared. All right, now it seems like we have to use the right of the space, right? Right hand side. Now if we want to simplify this, we can get cosine of theta to the power of 4, something like this, is equal to sine of theta to the power of 4, right? So we know that we have cosine of theta is equal to sine of theta or negative sine of theta if we simplify this. Now, do you agree with me? Now, if you have cosine of theta is positive or negative sine of theta, then you know tangent of theta is equal to positive or negative 1. Does it make sense? All we need to do is to divide cosine of theta on both sides of this equation, right? Yes. So we have tangent of theta as a positive or negative 1. Then we apply the square, right, to both ends, left hand side and right hand side. We have tangent of theta squared is positive 1. So we have proved this, right? So tangent of theta squared is equal to 1.